In this video, I'll show you how to enter a bill. To follow along, open the file called landworks_bills, or you can just watch the video. So this is step 1 of the two-step process of first entering bills and then paying them. You don't have to use this process, by the way. You can just write checks to your vendors, and that's covered in another video. So the idea is to record a bill as soon as you receive it. This way, you can take advantage of early payment discounts, if any. And QuickBooks can remind you when bills are coming due so you can avoid any late payments or irate calls from your vendors. And this video covers entering bills for things other than inventory. If you track inventory, there's a different procedure for entering and paying bills, and that's covered in other videos. Okay, to enter a bill, click Enter Bills on the home page. Click in the vendor field and choose the vendor. We'll choose Franklin. So QuickBooks has filled in a lot of the information from the vendor record, including the terms. So check the date field and make sure it matches the date on the bill. And in this case, let's choose January 12th. And click in the reference number and enter the account number or the number of the bill. So we'll type 657. So it's a good idea to enter the reference number because it can later help you distinguish between this bill and a similar bill from the same vendor. In the amount due field, you would type the total amount of the bill. But if this bill covers more than one expense account, we'll leave this blank and let QuickBooks fill it in as you enter the expense items. So on the Expenses tab is where we will enter the items from the bill. And QuickBooks has automatically selected the equipment account because it's associated with this particular vendor. And the amount that applies to equipment is what you would type here. So the amount for equipment was $234.67. And this company will be delivering the items, so I want to track the delivery charge. So we'll click in the account column and choose the expense account that is for delivery. And then in the amount column, we'll type the delivery charge. So you can see in the amount due field that QuickBooks has calculated the total of the two items. That's just easier than doing the math yourself. So here in the customer field, this is where you would choose a customer if you plan to pass on the amount to a customer as a reimbursable expense. But I won't be doing that here. Another video will explain how to do that. If you track classes, you could enter one here. And let's choose landscaping. And for now, ignore the Items tab. That's covered in the video on inventory. So click Save to save the bill and close the Enter Bills window. So you've entered a bill. The next step is paying it.